Well, everyone loves an epic Christmas feast, but it doesn't mean you have to spend all day in the kitchen. With a few clever hacks, you can make an impressive feast. Do I sound authoritative?
You sound really good, yeah.
Without much fuss.
Yeah, he knows what he's talking about. Someone who does know what they're talking about. Food stylist and author Jacob Leung. Good morning to you, Jacob.
Great to be here with you guys.
First time on Weekend Sunrise. We're not great cooks, just to let you know ahead of time.
Awesome.
Don't lump me in.
Yeah, well, you lumped yourself in, so I'm lumping you together, and here we go. We're going to start with the trifle.
Well, how about we start with the salad
Bruschetta.
first?
Let's
We'll do
bruschetta
salad first because we want to get the healthy done with. So what we've done is a really easy bruschetta salad, okay? So this looks really fancy, but this is just like 5 different types of tomatoes sliced in different
5 ways.
Yep.
Tomato 5 ways. And so what I'm going to do, just to like jazz it up a little bit for the Christmas season, is I've got this really beautiful fresh burrata here. Okay, I'm just going to place that in whole, and then what I've also done is I've just gotten some sourdough that's like a day old, if it lasts that long in your house, and I've just combined it with and like just tossed it in with olive oil and some Italian herbs.
How old is
just
too old for sourdough? Because normally mine's...
When there's mold growing on it, Eddie, that's probably
Too far.
not, that's
Okay,
too
good to know.
far.
These
Yeah.
DIY croutons.
Yeah, easy to make, okay? I don't know why anyone would buy them, okay? You bought them
genius.
before, haven't
No,
you?
it's okay.
No, it's okay.
Don't
Oh, I,
do
great.
I bought a crouton.
You bought a crouton. So then what I'm going to do now is just finish this with a good drizzle of olive oil.
And then when the burrata is split, it'll just spread all over that in a gooey, delicious
and then
mess.
slightly, a little bit different, but I'm also going to just put a little bit of orange on top as well.
A bit of
Okay,
Ooh,
a bit of
that's
zest,
controversial.
a bit of sweetness as well, and then obviously
That's
you need some
great.
greens for Christmas. So just adding some basil leaves as well.
Oh, yum.
How easy was that?
Hey, mate, that's,
so
you
easy.
guys can so do
excellent.
this. So
And then
so
the guests
easy.
have to do the work with the
Yeah,
burrata
you
as well.
pegged
You
that
just
right
basically...
at our level.
And that's the great thing about this dish. It's really like immersive. People can get into it, and then it looks like great on just the Christmas table.
Can you make it ooze for us?
Yeah, I can definitely make it ooze. Okay.
Oh, look
Make
at that
it rain.
ooze.
There you
Oh,
go.
so
There you
good.
go.
All right, let's talk sweets, Jake.
Let's talk sweets. Okay. So what I'm going to show us is a really easy gingerbread trifle. Okay.
Looking
so,
at that looks complex.
It does look complex, but I've made it really simple. So I've actually made a jelly, which is like 3 ingredients, which is a little bit of champagne and some ginger ale, sugar, and gelatin.
Yeah.
And then I've just put that into the fridge to set overnight. Now I've whipped some cream as well, and I've got some just store-bought custard. Yes, you can just buy it from the store. Really good quality, thick
Matt
custard.
like his own, likes to make his own.
Oh,
You make your own jelly, I make my own custard.
Okay,
You know,
brilliant.
You
spins
do
and
it, you do
roundabouts.
you.
And so I've got here a cup of whipped cream and then about a cup of
that looks good.
custard. And then I'm just going to fold that in together. And here's one that I've pre-made with the jelly. What I've got is some panettone, okay? And I'm using the chocolate chip one, not the traditional one. So I'm going to just cut that and I've put it on top of the jelly. And listen,
For people
Christmas...
that don't know panettone, there's those big things you can get in the supermarket. You don't really know what to do with them.
Exactly.
I don't anyway.
It can come in big ones, but I just got little mini ones
And you
here.
could cut them up into lots of pieces and
So
throw
you
them
could make this in
trifle, couldn't you?
a big version, and then I'm just going to do a little bit of alcohol. I'm using like a vanilla liqueur, but you could use like a brandy or something like that. And then I'm just got here the cream mixture that I've just made. Yeah, dig in.
This is
Should we
alcoholic. I'm
share
just
one
testing
so
this.
that the crew can have
$9.51. We
this?
should be
They
right
look
on that.
Oh,
amazing.
it's so fun.
It's only 10
Breakfast
minutes
trifle,
to go,
it's a thing.
so a champagne trifle will be okay. Oh my gosh, that is delicious.
It's good.
Yum.
And then what I'm going to do, everyone knows those Biscoff cookies, caramelised cookies. I just crush those up, put that on top, and I've got these cute little gingerbread men.
Oh, that is so cute.
Put them in like that, and then you just need to finish it off with, look at this, some indulgence.
Oh my gosh,
Salted
this is really
caramel like that.
Good. I mean, no offense to Sarah Di Lorenzo, who's a regular on Weekend Sunrise.
careful,
this is
Eddie.
amazing, Jacob.
That is
really, really good.
seriously exceptional. What
Wow.
are these?
That's
They're the
Biscoff
winner.
cookie.
That's your secret
Yeah,
ingredient.
Yes.
any sort of gingerbread cookie, Jacob. This was extraordinary.
Look at us waving spoons around.
I'll see you later at my house because I've got a lunch for 40 people and haven't done a thing. Bit awkward. You can find the recipe over on the Sunrise website. And for more delicious dishes, you can pick up a copy of Jacob's cookbook called Jacob Food. It is out now. There it is. That is so, so good.
Amazing. Thanks, Jacob. Well, it's time for Pop News now. Here's Miley.